Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Nashali DCA, and in today's video we are going to make a banana ginger smoothie to boost our immune system against the COVID-19 or the coronavirus, that in case we get in contact with an infected person, what we must do to cure ourselves. So before we get into the video, please, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends also to benefit. And with already my subscribers and my new subs, I say thank you. You are welcome to my channel. If you are the type you like doing DIY or doing things yourself, please, I think that's the right channel for you to be here, and let us all learn together. So now in our video today, we are going to need a warm glass of milk, a banana, then we need our ginger and one mousse blender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all peel the banana into the blender. I'm going to cut this off. Then I'll have it in my blender. So I'm going to go ahead and then add the second one to it. I'm going to need, so okay. Now I'm done peeling with my banana. I'm going to leave the peels for another DIY or for a good skin. I'm going to use the peel for. So now I'm going to go ahead and then add my ginger. I'm going to cut them in pieces. Then it's so simple, easy to do. No need to just get all the vitamins or sit down for the virus to get. So now this stage, I'm going to add my warm glass of milk in addition. So as you can see, I'm done. I'm going to bring this to a blend. I'm going to blend it and I'll be back. So now, as you can see, I'm done blending it. I really did make sure that it will blend all very well, especially with the ginger in it. So I'm going to go ahead and then pour. Wow, my smoothie is ready. So please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and also to share to your friends also to benefit from this. Thank you.